Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh, Nelly. Oh my. Oh, it's absolutely raining out there so badly. Oh, it's ruined my beautiful mane. Oh, what do you think, Applejack? You're right, Rarity. It's so bad out there. I'll show you guys what it's like. Ah, what do you mean? Oh, I just got it done today. Ah! Nice and dry here. You said it. The weather is so hard. Can't even control it. It's so tough. Right, boys? Yup. Uh-huh. Hey, guys. And 2 girls. Better. Yes. Fine. Oh, it's chilly. Oh, it must be freezing. Tea? Coffee? Apple coffee, please. Cappuccino? You got it. Woo. You thinking what I'm thinking? You are. Let's go. Hey. Hi. Today we'll be making slime. That's right. To make slime, you will need my rabbit lip gloss. Well, ordinary. But this is what I've got. My rabbit lip gloss, some glue, rainbow dash glue I've got, and Vaseline. That's how you make it the pony way. Doing my night spell so we can concentrate. See you in a sec, every pony. Bit of this, bit of that. Is that enough, you think? Yeah, I think it's plenty. Actually, maybe it's more enough. No, Apple Bloom, don't put too much. Oh, what you mean don't put too much? It's just the right amount. No, it's not. Apple Bloom, no! Relax. I know what I'm doing. No. See what I mean? Told you not to add too much. What did you do? You added more. I'm so sorry, sweetie Belle. Honestly. It's okay, I guess. I wonder what Rarity and Applejack are doing. They're awfully quiet. Yeah, I wonder. Thanks so much for that cappuccino. I'm stuffed. You're welcome. Darling. Did you hear that noise? It sounded like a bang. Yep, I heard it. Girls, what's going on? Nothing. Everything's fine, honestly. I'm coming over here. Well, over there. Uh-oh. That ain't good. What are you? Sweetie Belle, more slime. Remember what happened last time? Oh, brother. Oh, Apple Bloom. I will now show you a preview of what happened last time me and Sweetie Belle made slime. Guys, brace yourselves. Woo, slime. Maybe we should add one more ingredient to make it even slimier. Hey, Rare? You bet. Okay, I'll do my night spell so you can concentrate. See you later, guys. Bye. We'll be back in a minute. Sweetie, you only need a drop. No, what are you doing? Don't put the whole bottle. Why not? Because, no! There! This is why! Sweetie Belle! Ever since then, we've never let her make slime. I wonder.